Hello friends, my name is Rodiyah. Today we're going to learn how to make line charts in Flourish. Okay, so here I was actually recording this video before, but I muted the sound, so let's just say that there was no sound there. Okay, so now as you can see, there's nothing in preview because I haven't even finished the data yet. I'm using ObaTheCoder's YouTube stats to write this. Okay, ObaTech. Okay, so now here is subscribers. Oh my, there's much more over here than yes. Okay, so now we're going to write ObaTech here. May 2023. Okay, May. What? Oh, he's trying to start it in 2022. Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna start from 2023 because I am lazy. May 68. June 33. July 36. August 21. And for the month of September, 38 subscribers. And that's for October, 107. What? May 2023, 68. June 33. July 36. September. What? September is 38. 21. As for October, 107. As for November, 70. And as for December, 387. Oops, this is 384, not 7. For January, 100. February, 130. March, 20. September, also 20. January, -10. Kids. So now I'll quickly just pause this recording to see something. Okay, so since there could only be numbers over here, or else the seed will work, I added this secret code. So 3 means 2023, and this number before it is just the months that we are in. And yes, so all of these end in 3, but 24 means 2024. and the number behind it is just the months, and 25 and 025. You know what that means. 2025, and the number behind it is just the months. ObaCode and ObaKids. So that's all I'm going to do. Alright, let me just duplicate this tab. Okay. ObaCode. Okay, so for most of the time it is 0 and ObaKids. Oh yes, it's because it's ObaKids Link TV. Okay, these are the monthly gain subscribers. Okay, so now as for ObaCode, most of it is just basically 0. We're still going to count all of them. Okay, May 2023. Blah 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 blah. May. Okay, it's 0 for ObaCode. May. June. 0. July. 0. September. 0. How about October? 0. How about November? November, where is November? -1. How about December? Is there even any December? Yes. 0. Okay, for ObaCode, all the rest are just zeros. As for ObaKids, it's going to be a bit more complicated. Okay, let's see the preview. As you can see, for ObaCode, everything is basically just 0. Okay, so now, as for ObaKids, okay, okay, let's close this. May 2020, what? 2023. -60. June. -80. July. 20. September. 30. October. 20. November. 30. December. 10. January is also 10. February. Okay, where's February? As for February, it's 30. February, okay, let's see. March is 10. What's this? March. Okay, this is September. 40. Okay, this is January 2025. The goal is 20. Okay, now let's see the preview. Okay, as you can see, this is a very cool line chart with many different lines and blah blah blah. You can also change all of these on chart type, area chart. What is this? Oh, unstacked. Oh, column charts. Oh, column charts. Okay, so as you can see, there are many different kinds of charts you can use. But for now, we'll stick to chart. You can also change the color. Changing the color is completely unnecessary, but I will, because colors are cool. Okay, so that is the end of today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell. Bye.